Hello everyone, I just created the most useless plugin for OBS Studio. Recently I got into game development and I said, hey, how can I do this in OBS Studio? And here it is. I just created a plugin that builds a new source where you can play Tetris. Yes, Tetris, the most iconic game of the 70s, directly in OBS Studio by just creating a new source and setting up the hotkeys. And I really like this plugin, so I just decided to make it public. So let's get into the plugin and show you how it looks and how you can play it. The installation process is quick and simple, just like you do with other plugins. You just download the DLL if you are on Windows or the packages for macOS and Linux, move them to the specific folder in your OBS Studio installation, and just launch OBS Studio. If you see the new source, you are done. And now that we are in OBS Studio, let's play some Tetris. Select the source and hit OK. And now we have the game already playable. But before we can play, we still need to set up some hotkeys. For that, you just go to File, Settings, go to the hotkeys, and search for Tetris. Now here, let's just set A for left, D for right, S for soft drop, R for rotate, T for hard drop, space for pause, and escape for reset. Now let's have a quick explanation what these hotkeys do. Move left, move right are pretty much self-explanatory. Soft drop means if you press once, it will go one row faster. Rotate is just the generic Tetris rotating the elements. Hard drop, when you press the hard drop, the element will just drop on top of the other ones. And of course, pause, we click space. And for reset, we hit escape so we can play again. Now let's just hit apply. And now it's game over. Now let's just hit escape and play again. As if you can see, when I press A, I just move the elements. When I press S, they go faster down. And now if I press R, it rotates the element. And again, if I press S, it go faster. And of course, if I press T, it just drops to the ground. Just like this. I really enjoyed creating this plugin. And it's really nice to have something to do while you live stream and probably waiting for your audience to come online. This fits perfect in your just chatting scenes. And as you can see, it works just like the normal Tetris. And let's hit space to pause the game. When you move to another source, you still have the game working in your previous source, mostly just chatting. Again, I left a link in the description where you can download this plugin. Do you think you can beat my score? Download the plugin and show me what you can. And if you enjoy what I do and if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch my other videos for my other plugins. This was a quick one. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.